Hello everyone, welcome to week 73 of my journey. I'm Ben, your agent. I'm starting to feel the shift in the real estate industry. Are you? In this video, I want to share with you 3 winning mindsets you need to get through the market. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, broker by EXP Realty. Let's get right into it. Step number 1. You gotta surround yourself with people who think big and are winning. I'm part of a really awesome organization called Fast Forward Movement, Honey Badgers. All we think is what can we do to improve our real estate business? And what do? We mastermind. And we talk to some of the best agents in the industry making millions of dollars. And you know, there's always something to negotiate and think about and change, and systems in place and books to read. And that's why I love surrounding myself with those that think big. Because at the end of the day, if you hang around with those that just do part-time real estate, or nothing wrong with part-time, but what I mean is those people that normally do part-time aren't on calls, aren't trying to read books, aren't trying to surround themselves with others that can point out things in their business that they can do to win bigger and to continue winning. And the ones that I surround myself with, man, they're winning. They're constantly getting like over 100 transactions every single year. And my team leader is an exceptional team leader. He continues to show me books, attend events, and show me events that I should go to improve my real estate game. Are you doing that? Are you surrounding yourself with people like that? Step number 2, you gotta keep your consistency with high level activity, even though you don't see results right away. And I'll be transparent with you guys. I always keep doing high level activities, but I'll do once in a while slip in that mindset like, oh, I'm not getting results right away. Don't worry about that. I'm preaching to myself here in front of you listening to this. You gotta stay consistent. Just stay consistent, because we are in a market shift right now. And the best time to stay consistent with high level activity is right now. The reason why you're listening to this is because I have been in the industry for a little bit now, and I see my high level activity paying off, including my videos here and my social media. So my high encouragement to you is stay consistent with high level activities. And those high level activities, if you don't know them or you don't have any in mind, email me and I will give you a sheet of high level activities to do. All right, step number 3, make sure you're doing videos. Making videos will help you stay sharp on topics that buyers and sellers don't know how to answer on their own, which just sounds crazy, right? But we are market experts, guys. We are here to help our clients navigate through this market shift. And we have the information and the resources to help them do that, guys. So and just keep doing those videos, because I'm telling you, they're like employees. Someone once told me they're like your employees. They work for you 24/7. So I know a guy that I just listened to today on the podcast named Levi. He does nothing but YouTube videos, and his success has been just on YouTube videos. And I know those others that do TikTok, do some of those that do Instagram. So just make videos, post them on all platforms, and that will help you keep in the right mindset for your buyers and sellers, to keep them informative of the right information and to help them move on this market and be a proactive seller or buyer. All right, lastly, guys, I want to update you about my listing. I'm so excited to announce I just had an offer come in. Not only that, but I get to do my first counter offer for my client for the very first time. So excited for that. Also, I've been taking that same client out to go find her next home, which is super excited. So if you're in the market to sell your house or buy a house, I work in Los Angeles, Orange County, and Riverside County, and I can do some in San Diego. If you want me to do that, I will do that. So all my information will be in the description below. Please don't hesitate to contact me, and also hit the like and the share this video to one of your friends that can benefit from it as well. Thank you for tuning in. It's always a blessing. I always get excited to share my journey with you. Yah bless you, and see you on the next one. Take care.